Hello and welcome to this short video about how to get the best out of the remote control for your 1056 fan. The remote control lives in the centre of the fan. There's a magnet on the back and this is a metal plate, so it's going to stay nice and secure there. Circular remote control, probably the only circular remote control you've got within the house, so you're always going to know it belongs to this fan and there's always going to be a home for it for storage. The remote control basically mirrors the controls that are accessible via the capacitive control panel along the bottom of the fan. So in the middle we've got on off to turn our fan on. Then at the bottom we've got fan speed to go down, fan speed to go up. Then we go around to the light, which I'll explain a bit more about in a moment. Then we got our timer buttons for timer off or timer on. Eco mode, and then oscillation for up and down and left and right. So you can change the fan speed as you require to whatever you want it to be using the up and down arrows on the remote control. This remote will work from approximately about 3 meters away, depending the angle that you're using it at and what else you've got going on within the rooms. Some customers will get further, some customers will get a little bit less. Just depends what's happening within the room, what else there is to interfere. The light button, that's really useful because we do realise that a lot of customers are going to be using this within a bedroom scenario. So in the bedroom you may or may not want to have light on. Well, if I press the light button, then there's no light coming off this machine at all. Or if you do prefer to have a little bit of a glow within the room at night, fine, just press the light button and the control panel comes back on. Timer off and timer on. Timer off in particular you might find to be particularly useful again when you're using it within the bedroom. So you might set the fan to turn off after say 3 hours. So 2, 3. So this fan will now turn off after 3 hours of running. And at night you might want to do that so that you don't wake up feeling cold in the middle of the night, and the fan will turn itself off after a few hours of running and when you'll be sound asleep hopefully by then. When it does turn itself off when you're using it in that scenario, it won't bleep. So you're not going to find that the fan will then wake you up during the middle of the night. Timer on, well, if the machine was turned off and then I use the timer on function, the fan will now turn on after 2 hours if that's how I want it to run. So I can override that just by turning it on, and that takes us then to our Eco button. We're on fan speed 1 at the moment. If I press the Eco button, we've jumped up to fan speed 2, and that's because that's the correct fan speed for the temperature within the room at the moment. The display will show us now that it's 20 degrees C in here in the office at the moment, and as the temperature increases, so will the fan speed, and then vice versa. As the temperature falls back down, the fan speed will go back down to fan speed 2. Then we've got our oscillation buttons for turning the oscillation on. The other thing about the remote control, if you are using it in the bedroom at dark at night, just remember these couple of little tips in order to help you get the most out of it. You've got the bulb at the top, that's the top of the remote control, that's where it points towards the fan, and so when you're fumbling around in the dark trying to find the right way up, you can obviously feel the buttons, feel the dimple, and that tells you then that that's the bit that should be pointing towards the fan. Also on the speed down button there's a little dimple on that as well, like you get on a calculator. So by orientating with the dimple at the top and the speed down button, then I know where things are on the remote control. So I know that that's the speed down, so the one above it is the speed positive, and I know that my oscillation is opposite it. And that's really all the buttons that you might likely to use in the middle of the night probably. On off, always right there in the middle. Hope that helps. Enjoy using your fan. Thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, go to meaco.com and reach out to us or leave a note in the comments below. Thank you. Bye bye.